Well, here I am again with a somewhat belated Happy New Year, so Happy New Year. Somehow we all seem to have made it into 2021. Once again, I'd just like to say a great big thank you to everybody for your understanding, your patience, and obviously your compliance with all the changes in protocols of the practice. The good news is that common sense this time seems to have prevailed, and unlike the first lockdown, dental practices are all remaining open. We did in fact quite early on clear the backlog of patients with acute dental pain, broken teeth or other problems, admittedly with quite a few changes, but we're finally back to some degree of normality at the practice. We've been very fortunate to have had both our hygienists, Carolyn and Megan, working 5 days a week, really to catch up on patients' gum health. And this is really the reason I felt the need to actually contact and talk to everybody. Over the years, so many of our patients have made heroic efforts in upping their game with their oral hygiene regime at home, along with obviously a significant investment in time, effort and money in hygiene therapy, which has so often done great things to improving people's gum health. Now obviously we're very aware that due to the initial lockdown and subsequent disruption, for many of our patients it's been, well, sometimes over a year since they last saw the hygienist. And unfortunately what we're now seeing in many cases is a very sad undoing of all that good work, with previously stable gums really going quite downhill. So if you are overdue with your routine hygiene appointments, give Jill a call and get your gum health back on track. We've now all been vaccinated and our protocols and PPE at the practice mean we're totally COVID safe. On a more positive note, many of you might be aware that along with most private dental practices, we have been levying a fee to cover the extra costs of PPE for treatment appointments. This has been a one-time only fee for any patient, which doesn't apply to checkups and hygiene appointments. But thanks to some prudent sourcing of PPE, we've now been able to reduce this from £34 to £20. So once again, thank you so much for all your understanding. It's really been fantastic to have seen so many of you and heard some of your interesting stories through these odd weeks and months. But please don't forget, we are here for you. We're passionate that your dental health stays up to scratch, and most of all, your safety is at the forefront of everything we're about. So thank you all very much again. Thank you.